All right. Yeah, this will be a challenge. This thing rolls forever.
Oh, nice. Like scale.
So here, Brandon.
Is this the 2100 in there now?
No, this is the 2000.
Oh, why didn't you swap it?
Because I don't have one that I want to put in yet.
Oh, okay.
I want to put.
It's still good with the 2000, but
it's fine.
2100 is going to make a nice improvement, huh?
It'll be thrust, not speed.
Yeah. Wait, how did you get the burner on a switch to go?
You just put it on a spare channel. I have it on a spare channel.
Oh, okay.
So this is good. So this will slow it down.
Yeah.
The asphalt, it will not slow down.
Oh yeah, slow down.
It just rolls.
Keep rolling.
Yeah. It's got bearings in the wheels.
Not so fast. Oh, dude, that took off quick.
Because of the wind, normally it won't. But see, everybody says it doesn't have enough power, right?
That's hella good power right off the bat.
No power, it doesn't have enough power, not enough power. That's fine. Yeah.
It looks as fast as the stock Blue Angel three-wing one.
Blue Angel's a lot faster, but
Oh, it is?
this flies really scale. This flies heavy though.
It flies like the F-15, huh?
Yeah.
In terms of weight.
But it flies, it looks more real, you know? It's not flying like stupid fast, you know?
Time remaining 2 minutes.
It's obviously a jet, but you're able to enjoy it when it goes by, you know?
Sounds nice. It probably lands better than the three-wing.
No, free wing lands the best.
What?
Yeah.
That doesn't land as good as the Blue Angel?
The Blue Angel lands really good. Maybe a little stiff, but Blue Angel's easier for me to land. This one you really have to be on it.
Yeah. You gotta be on that Blue Angel, or at least that version with the slightly tail heavy and the leopard mode.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Yeah.
I can do a slow pass if you want.
No, that's okay. Don't do anything for me. I don't want anybody to crash because of
No,
me.
no.
You do whatever you do.
Okay.
No, but if I do a live mode, I think I can catch it better.
Okay.
Just do your normal landing. Don't do anything.
I'm not going to do anything out of the
Don't show
ordinary.
off.
Okay. Let's just be.
Don't say, watch this.
This is regular flying.
30 seconds.
So far away. The camera.
I think one of the coolest things about it is the sound.
Sound. Yeah, it sounds real.
8,
Sounds better than the 737.
Oh yeah.
4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
You need an afterburner.
I know, that's what I told him. I wanted 2 afterburners now. Even though it's on scale, it would look fucking cool, huh?
Hey, your engine's on fire.
And it's so out of scale that
Yeah.
afterburners looks realistic. That's plenty fast.
Yeah, it is. But the Blue Angel is like screaming fast.
Well, with that leopard.
Yeah. Do a gear pass and come in.
Gear down. Landing flag.
Oh, you know what? I was flying that whole flight with the flaps down.
Oh, you were?
Yeah. Those landing flaps the whole time. I was wondering why it was climbing. I mean, not landing flaps, takeoff flaps.
Yeah.
1 minute over.
It's normally faster than that.
like how the gear collapses.
Yeah, they go zoop. Yeah, I like it here because it slows it down. Normally it would be
Yeah.
rolling to the end.
Dude, that thing lands great. What are you talking about?
Here?
The way the gear collapses, it like locks you into the ground. That Blue Angel won't bounce.
Oh,
like
it'll
fuck.
bounce. Yeah,
You
this
don't-
won't
if you
bounce.
don't- if you don't land it.
The only thing that's hard about this is if you don't set up just right, it
Yeah.
won't come down.
That looked great. The way the gear.
That was perfect. I waited till it was down, but that was perfect. Even used the rudder there at the last minute to make sure it came over.
Yeah, the gear and the sound are the best about that.
Yeah.
Gear that's awesome.
Yeah, I flew. Okay, so
Look
next
at that suspension.
next flight will be better because that was takeoff flaps the whole time. So you're just blasting pictures.
Flaps
No,
out.
it's on live with the signs on there.